Welcome back. Now in this video, we want to talk briefly about social media setups and in your autoresponders. The last message that you're going to have in the series for a particular launch, you want to encourage people to become part of whatever your existing social media presence is. So if you have a presence on YouTube or Facebook or even Twitter, you want to encourage people in that last email to become part of your social media following or your community. You don't want to necessarily link out from the download page. Once again, what are we trying to do in the download page? We're trying to encourage people to click on the upsell. We don't want to send them into distraction. Now, this is almost certainly going to be a distraction. It's almost certainly going to lead to leakage. So we do want to encourage them to become part of our social media following because that does close up our funnel. But we want to leave that for last, and we want to put it inside of the follow-up if possible. Or even if you have a webinar that you're doing after the fact, that's a good place to mention all of your social media accounts. Most people are probably going to watch the replay, but that's a good time to let people know that you've got a social media following that you like for them to become part of. So with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.